Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. We are Dr. Sourav Sir's classes team, and we are going to organize a batch that will help you for your upcoming examinations like TIFR, NBHM, and like ISI, CMI, etc. So please feel free to contact via this contact details which is given in the screen, which is our contact number is 98367 93076. Again, I am telling that which is our 98367 93076, and you can drop an email to our email ID which is sauravsirclasses@gmail.com. So we can help you to solve your all the queries related to the mathematical examinations, and hope and you can study hard. So please feel free to contact via this contact details. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in our NBHM 2024 previous year question. So this question is telling us that write down or otherwise describe in the case of the solution set is infinite all the integer solutions which is in the duplicate form, which is x y z of the system of those equations, which is x plus yz equals to 2024, and our xy plus z is equals to 2023. So we are tasked to solve and to get a solution or the integer solutions of this given system of equations. So what can be done with this? Okay, so our system of equation is telling us that this is our first equation and second equation is this. Okay, so we can do one thing. If we can subtract the second equation from the first equation, so what we will get? So we will get x minus xy plus that will be yz minus z. So that will be 2024 minus 2023. So then we can take common, that our common factor x will be come outside. In so inside we will get 1 minus y, and from this we can get y minus 1, so that will be 1. Yeah. So again we can write that x into that will be 1 minus y minus of z into that will be 1 minus y. So then we can write that minus of x comma z, and that will x minus z, and that will be, yeah, so our 1 minus y, so that will be 1. So this is our thing we which we get from our these two equations. So after that, what can be done? Let me change my color. Yeah. So now we can do that. Only two cases will arise that will support us this in this manner. So if our y minus 1 is equals to 1 and our x minus z is equals to 1 is a case, and our another case will be this, where our 1 minus y is equals to minus y and our x minus z will be minus 1. So from the first case, what we can conclude? Okay, so our y will be what? In this case, our y will be 1 minus 1, so that will be 0. Okay. So our x will be x equals to z plus 1. Okay. So what can be done? So now I am going to put this in our first equation. So what can we conclude from this? We can try. So our first equation is x plus yz is equals to 202. Sorry, that will be 2024. So our y is 0, so the z is not countable here. So our x is equals to 2024, and our z is what? We know that our x is z, x equals to z plus 1. So after getting this, we have our z is equals to 2023. So now we got an tablet which is answer of which is an answer. So our 2024 and 0 and 2023. Okay, this will be an answer of this system. So again, let me check it. Yeah. So if we put y equals to 0 here, so we will get z equals to 2023. Okay. So this is a solution. So now for our case 2, what we will get? From our case 2, we can conclude that our y will be 1 plus 1. That means 1 minus minus 1. So that is 1. That will be 2 here. Yeah. So after that, our x minus z is equals to minus 1. Okay, let it be. So in this case, if we put this in our given equation, so we will get x plus 2z, that is equals to 2024, and our x 2x plus z will be 2023. Yeah. So we can write that our 3x plus 3z will be 4047 if we add these two. Yeah. After substituting the value of y equals to 2. So we will get this now. So after that we can write it as, we can take that, we can take 3 from the from this, that which will be common. So 3 into, sorry, yeah. So 3 into that will be 1349. Yeah. So our x plus z will be 1349. And we again we have this thing which is our x minus z is equals to minus 1. So if we add these two, this and this, so what we will get? Our 2x and z will be cancelled out. So we will get 1348. Yeah. So our x will be what? Our x will be exact half of this. So that will be 674. Yeah. So then what will be y? Okay. So let us put it in this, x minus z is equals to minus 1 we have, and after that I am putting x equals to 674 here. So we will get this, and our z will be 674 plus 1, so that is 675. So so we are getting another set of solution, that is 674, 2 and 675. I think this is a very easy question which was appeared in the question set. So, okay, hope you understood, guys. So again, I am telling that please feel free to contact via this contact details so we can help you, and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes, like one-on-one sessions or online classes, or our regular, you can join our regular batches so you can excel in your examinations, and we can help you why this via these norms. Okay, so please feel free to contact via these contact details. Thank you, guys.